Om Samastajana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Hari Om. Now we shall see about the Gunas. Gunas. Guna, the word Guna has two meanings. One is rope, ROPE, and other is quality. Okay. First, let us take the meaning of quality. Qualities of what? Now, the entire creation has come out from the divine Maya. It's a Mula Karanam or the root cause. It is a material cause, Mula Prakriti, from which everything is emerged. This Maya has got three inherent powers. This Maya power Shakti has got three inherent qualities. One is Sattva, second is Rajaha, third is Tamaha. Sattva Guna, Rajo Guna, and Tamo Guna. These three are qualities. These three are there in the Maya. Now, these three are operational or operated on the mind. Sattva-guna, Rajoguna, and Tamoguna. These are three qualities. So, all our minds are influenced by all the three gunas. All the three are always there, only proportion varies. Sattva may be maximum sometime. Sometimes activity Rajoguna is more, sometimes Tamoguna is more. Okay, these three are three different moods of the mind. Mood. So, three different climatic conditions of the mind. Because in the mind, they are explicitly noticed and seen. They are operational there in the mind. So, sattvic mood, rajasic mood, tamasic mood are a mixture of it. All these things are always together. Okay. Proportion varies. From person to person, only proportion of these qualities, ratio of them vary. Right? So, but these are the three moods and they combine. All the three combination of these three in different proportions throw up different colorful ranges of an individual personality. This combination alone. And we are actually dictated by these three gunas. We are all helpless victims of Sattva Guna, Rajoguna, and Tamoguna. They decide because the climatic mood coming under the sway of that particular mood, I act. So my behavior, my interactions, my clarity, or whatever it is, my psychological personality is completely controlled by, right, dominated by these three gunas. Sattva Guna, Rajoguna, and Tamoguna. Right? We don't find only Sattva because when Sattva is there, other two are there. Maybe they become negligible, but they must be there. So they're always together. Now, what is Sattva Guna? When Sattvic Guna, the energy of Sattva is operating on the mind, that will be a very great thing. So, what is the nature of Sattva Guna? We are not talking about how to achieve all that. That is not the topic. We're just enumerating these three moods. Bhagavan Krishna says, Tatra Sattvam Nirmalatvat Prakashakam Anamayam Sukasangena Bhadnati Jnanasangena Cha Anagha. Gita Bhagavad Gita Shloka. Sattvic, Sattva Guna, when it is there, it is of the nature of stainlessness, meaning extraordinary bright, no stain or no strains are seen in the Sattva Guna. Nirmalatvat, there is no malam, there is no impurity there. That is Sattva. Sattva Guna cannot be contaminated in the sense in itself. So, when Sattva gets mixed with Rajoguna, then contamination begins. Pure Sattva is not contaminated. So, Sattva Guna is Nirmalatvam, pure. There is no mala. It is completely stainless. Prakashakam, luminous. So, when Sattva is operational, mind becomes so bright. And whatever I see, think, smell, taste, touch, or whatever I see, whatever I want to know, because of the brilliance, luminosity, I quickly gain knowledge, quickly understand what is happening around me or in front of me. That is the beauty of Sattva Guna, Nirmalatvam. And Prakashakam, luminous. Then Anamayam, healthy. There is no psychological aberrations or ailments. No. Health is very good. Psychological health is very good. Physical health also becomes good because of sattvic food, which Bhagavan Krishna speaks about it. So when Sattva Guna is operational, I take sattvic food, I take to sattvic chintan, everything, thinking, actions, everything changes. So anamayam, free from all kinds of diseases. That means it is unobstructive. It doesn't obstruct. There are no obstructions for the expression of pure Sattva Guna. But Sattva Guna binds us. That's why Guna is another mind, no? Rope. By Sattva Guna binds me to happiness. Sukha Sangena Badhanati. So when I get happiness in the world, because of Sattva Guna, I get bound by that happiness itself. That is the problem. I get bound. I get attached to happiness. Then I struggle for it. If I don't get it, I suffer. So these are the consequences. And Jnana Sangena, because Sattva gives you knowledge also, so there is a possibility that one get attached to the knowledge itself. You become insistent, you hold on to your thinking. It is good, but you cannot give up that because of attachment to knowledge itself. So this particular mode is called Sattva Guna in the mind. Sattva Guna. Now what about Rajoguna? Rajas is full of activity. Ragatmakam vidhi. Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam. Quite opposite. Rajas is passion, greed, wanting to more. Restless, action oriented, passion. And Trishna, thirsty. It makes a person thirsty to have more. And Sanga Samudbhavam. And it produces attachment to whatever vastu, object we're attached to. Because of Rajoguna, I get attached to that person or object, passion. And how does it bind me? It binds me to knowledge, to action, karma. Karma sangena badnati. It grows in me attachment to action itself. So Rajoguni people cannot take rest. Always restless, activity, passion, greed, wanting more and more and more, thirst to have more, slave to the objects. So this is a Rajoguna mode. So one moment of Sattva, the Rajastha comes, these are the qualities, characteristics of the person. And Tamoguna is third one. Tamoguna is sleepy, lazy. Think. Ajnanajam vidhi, mohanam sarvadehinam, pramadalasi nidrabhi, tannibadhanati bharata. This, Tamoguna is a dull energy, born out of ignorance. And it dilutes. It doesn't give me clarity. I get deluded. I can't see properly. I can't understand things. Whatever is happening to me, I can't understand them properly. I get deluded. I become dull. I become insensitive, inapprehensive. That is the quality of tamoguna. Mohanam sarvadehinam. It creates me great spell of delusion. And it produces what? Pramada alasya nidrabhihi. It is bound. Bound by what? Pramada, heedlessness, inadvertence, repeating same kinds of mistakes, or not taking care, heedlessness, being careless, pramada, and getting all kinds of troubles. Alasya, laziness, indolence. It won't make me do my work. Say, okay, tomorrow I'll do. Okay, day after tomorrow I'll do. And sleep, always sleepy, dull. So these are the qualities of tamoguna. Think. So what should be done? These three moods of the mind. Different combinations of all these things will give rise to various moods. These moods toss us up and down, and all the three put together bind me to the lower realms of matter and low cheap level of thinking. And Sattvaguna makes me attached to inactivity, activity, Rajoguna, activity. Tamoguna is inactivity. These are three: activity, inactivity, activity, and inactivity. And any kind of attachment to anything halts our progress. Even to knowledge, attachment to knowledge also doesn't make me pursue higher knowledge. So we should detach from all these things and slowly progress. This is enough for today on these three gunas. So we are being, so how to control, how to go beyond? Read Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter. Bhagavan Krishna helps us in transcending the gunas. So mind is under my control. I am not controlled by the mind. So for this, you must read Bhagavad Gita. Thank you.